cake for you guys. You want to get started? Let's do it now. If you don't watch my channel, just watch it now. If you like my video, give me a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Let's get started now. Mommy, can I have my chef clothes? I don't have the time on Harry. Ready to go, let's start! Give me a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, click the button. This is what we need. Cup of red mix, we need cup of orange mix, we need cup of green mix, we need cup of yellow mix, we need cup of white mix. We need cup of icing. We need 4 eggs, some sprinkles, some milk, some oil. 4 of these. They're full of these, and we got this one. I'll start with the red mix. So I'm going to put it in this one. Oops, I make a mess. Oh no, I cannot. It's going to go on the floor. Now I'm going to add 1 spoon oil. Spill it on the oil. A little bit. Now we have to mix it. Let's mix it. That's so good. It's like chocolate milk, like cinnamon. I wish I could put a blue, like something. I love putting red. I wish I could get some more so I can make a video again. Okay, now I'm going to get egg. So I'm going to crack it. I'm going to do it by myself. I don't want any help. Looks like I'm making this for Aya and for Minon. And I feel so bad for Minon because when I was a little kid I didn't get, because Minon wants to get all of my stuff. So I feel so bad for Minon. So I'm going to make Minon a cake. Sharing, I know how to share. Gonna get another egg. Wait, mix it a little bit more. Mommy, it's turning like slime. Look, it's red. It looks like slime. Beautiful, it looks like red. You're right, Mommy. I never seen red before. It looks like slime. Mommy, look. Oh, guys, it's so fluffy. You put the tissue away. That's okay when I don't want to make a video, but I wish I could make a video a lot of times at morning. And I wish I could make a video at school. But I can do the video quietly at my school. I make a video about my school. So I think I should move this, but otherwise it will crash. So it smells like strawberry. So one over there. Now I got this. First time you do get this. So guys, my mom needs to put it in the oven. But guys, it looks like a strawberry red pancake. It's so wiggly. Now it's green color time. Now I'm gonna go over there. And we need a little bit of. Now we need. Where's oil? There's oil. 1 tablespoon of oil. I want to see how green it is. Now we need this. Now we're adding 1 egg, so I'm going to crack this. Oh, it was just the white egg. So, it's green. I knew the egg. I'm going to crunch the egg. It's turning green. Look. I really want to eat the milk because I'm thirsty. But I can't. Mommy, I turned off my Z. I turned off my zombie movie because you say is video time. When I finish my video, then I can watch Zombies 2. But I never finished Zombies 2. I turned off Zombies 2. Fix it green color. How green is it? Guys, make sure when you did watch my video, just watch it now. I'm going to put this paper on there, so I'm going to put it. I'll put this. We're going to put this one. Yes. Okay, guys. So, guys, we'll put this one. So gooey. I'm going to put this. I'm going to take. And I'm going to spread it. Spread it. I don't need any help. I'm only going to make a video by myself. Now I'm done. And I'm going to put this in the oven, please. I did the yellow and flavor, so let's mix it up. So, now my mom is ready. Smells like banana and mango. Never my help. I'm great getting my mom's help. My mom's help me because I'm so I'll put it there. Ooh, it's actually yellow. The yellow. Oops. I did pumpkin pie. And last nice. Put this in the bagel. Celery. done yet. Now I'm doing icing, guys, so I'm going to open this. When I open it, it's so hard. Like this. Oh, I'm so excited! Guys, see the sugars. See the sugars good. The cake's already and the frosting's already. So good. First time you put a little bit of icing here, okay? Today I'm using green. First I'm using green, guys. Green and I'm going. Now I'm putting the orange. Wait. So. Look, the last one is a frosting. Look. More frosting. I'm putting little sprinkles on it now. Oh, Mommy, you're making it falling down. That's why the sprinkles are falling. I wish I could eat the cake, but I can't. No, everything is falling down on the table. Mommy, I'm just going to do it this way. It's bad. I'm not finishing. This way. The cake's ready. Hey guys, the cake is ready, guys. And when you did watch my channel, watch it now. Bye. See you next time. Bye.
Okay, the first series.